How to log in into Santander Bank account online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Santander Bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. Then on your search engine, simply search for Santander Bank account login. After you search for that, here you'll find the online banking account option for Santander. So open that up. And after you head over to the website, you should be seeing something like this. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after this page loads, you will see the login option on the top right corner. Tap on this login option and you'll find this pop-up. So all you now have to do to log in is type in your username right here, whatever your username is, and then your password. After you do that, tap on login and you'll be logged in into your Santander Bank. So right here you will see forgot user ID and forgot password option as well. So if you've forgotten either one of these, you can simply reset it by going through the procedures right here. And that's basically it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.